When you do a pixie hairstyle on a fresh, relaxed hair, it's going to turn out so clean and beautiful. And I want to style my hair, but I have been noticing that I'm having some new growth. It's not that much, but styling my hair when it's not like relaxed, it doesn't look good. So I thought, you know what? It's time to relax it at least so that the hair, everything is one, because now I'm having the top is relaxed and then the bottom is having the new growth. And I just want to have like a really clean hairstyle. So I thought, you know what? Time to relax. I've already mixed the relaxer and I also let it to sit down for 5 minutes before using it. So now I'm just going to apply the relaxer on my hair. I've already rubbed Vaseline on my ears, on the back of my neck, and also a little bit on my forehead and on my hairline just to protect, because I always end up burning my ears every time I relax. I don't know whether because I don't put a lot of Vaseline, but this time I make sure I went in with a lot of Vaseline. I focus more on the back because that is the shorter part. So when the hair is growing, that is where you start seeing the new growth very quickly, because it's the more shorter part on my head. So I like to focus on that and then build my way up. I don't use a lot of relaxer actually because the hair is very short. So you don't need that much. Me in particular, I don't really need that much. So yeah, I don't also mix all the relaxer that I have. I kind of like separate it into two. I don't know if I'm the only one that does that, but I kind of separate it into two because I've noticed that whenever I mix the entire container, I don't end up using it. I don't end up using everything. I still have a lot in there and I cannot use it again. It doesn't look good when you use it again. So I kind of like, separate it and then use half and then use half later. And that has been working for me actually. So now that I have applied all the products into my hair, I'm just going to try to like comb my hair to make sure that every part of my hair is coated with the relaxer, just to prevent, I don't want to have some space that is not relaxed and some space that are relaxed. I just want to make sure that the entire head is coated with the relaxer. So when I'm ready to style my hair, I can have a really nice and a clean hairstyle. I really love short hair, honestly speaking. It's very, very easy. Um, Pixie hairstyle, it's not for the weak. I'm gonna say, it's not for the weak. I'm not really good with styling, but I think I'm getting better. I'm a work in progress. I'm getting better with styling it. I have been watching a lot of videos and a lot of tutorials on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. So I think I'm getting there. It can be better, but I'm getting there. I'm not yet perfect with it. I'm getting there. But overall, I really enjoy the short hair. And the days where I'm like, I'm not in the mood for the short hair, I just go ahead and put on my wigs. I just put on wigs. I don't mind. And some days I just like to switch it. I just like to switch it. I like to put on wigs. I like to leave my natural hair. And the days where I'm not feeling it, I just go ahead and put on some wigs. I have some glueless wig that I use, and I have some of them I use with glue. So I like to switch it. And some days I don't mind using my natural hair, styling my pixie hairstyle, doing a really nice hairstyle, and go out with my natural hair. I love it anyway, either short, wig, natural. I just love my hair and I really enjoy short hair overall. So now I'm just going to wash it out after waiting for a couple of minutes. I'm going to wash it out and you're going to make sure you wash everything out. Everything. Make sure you rinse your hair very well so that all the relaxer is out. After that, I'm going to use the shampoo that came in the box. I'm going to massage. Oh, it felt so good when I was massaging my head, going through my fingers going through my head. It feels so, so good. I loved it. So I'm just making sure I got all the shampoo in my hair, wash it very well, massage my entire scalp with the shampoo, and it just feels so good. My head was just itchy, so I was just using the opportunity to just itch it more and more. But it feels good. It felt good. It feels really good. And the finished result was amazing. Was amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I wash it very, very well. And after that, I'm just gonna rinse it out. Rinse it out. I'm gonna wash it again with shampoo. I always like to go 2 times with the shampoo just because, yeah, make sure you get all the product out of your hair because it's relaxing. You don't want the relaxer to still be in your head. So that's why I like to go in for like a double double shampoo method thing. I like to go in again with the shampoo. I don't know if I'm the only one that has this problem. Whenever I'm washing my hair, whether I'm standing or I'm bending down, whatever it is, I always have water in my ears, and I really do not like it. Even when I'm taking shower, I always have water in my ears. Always after shower, my ears will become so itchy when the water go in. It's just a little bit irritating. But yeah, I've been to the doctor so many times. They're like, there's nothing wrong with your ears. It's just the water. Maybe the water is just irritating your ears. That's it. But I always have it. So yeah, that's why you see me putting my hands in my ears, because it's just very irritating. I just don't like the feeling of the water in my ears. So after that, I go in with my conditioner. I leave this on for a couple of minutes, I think like 30 minutes or something like that. Wrap it with a plastic bag, leave it for 30 minutes, go about my day, and just pack my stuff, because I was actually preparing to go for a weekend trip. So yeah, I'm gonna fix wig after all this process, because the first day I just didn't want it to deal with my hair. So I thought, you know what, let me just fix on wig for the first day. And then the next day is where I went in for the Pixie hairstyle. I used curling iron to curl it, and it was so beautiful. I got a lot of compliments. So yeah, this is me. This is me the next day on holiday. I was looking beautiful. It was so nice.